Hi my loves, welcome back to another video and thanks for stopping by if you're new here. This is a beautiful mermaid set that I've done quite a while back. So I've removed all her previous design, pushed back the cuticles, etched the new nail growth, primed, added a clear thin layer to that new growth. And then I'm just coming in on this hand, on this thumb. This is one of the new CJP colours, I think. Yeah, this is Orchid. And then I'm just going to ombre that with Lilac Luster. So because this is obviously a long nail, I've placed that second colour pretty much at the blend line and blend it up, and then I'll come in with the bead at the cuticle area, tuck that into the cuticle and then blend that down as well. So yeah, just want to say, sorry, my thingy just messed up. So yeah, I've been a bit poorly with my mental health and stuff the past few weeks now, and I've been struggling to find time to fit everything in. I've been super busy, so I've just really run myself down, I think. So taken a bit of time out over this last week and I'm feeling much better now. So yeah, I'm just trying to think. I think that glitter that I just added there on that thumb was Pink Gin by the Glitter Fairey. I'll just double check while I'm sitting here. I'm just doing an extended nail bed on this index finger, using Birthday Suit. Just for that second bead, getting it nice and neat around that cuticle area, and then swiping the sides of that with my brush to keep it as neat as I can. This glitter here is from the Glitter Fairey and it's Fizzabella in Superfine. So I've just picked up a tiny wet bead and dipped it of crystal glass, dipped it straight into the glitter and then straight onto the nail. And then I'm going to come in over top of that with the chunkier glitter. Actually, no. Yeah, this is Fizzabella in the chunky cut version as well, and it's the same on the thumb as well. Super gorgeous. Really got some pink bits in it, got some really chunky holographic bits in it. It's really nice. So I'm going to do a vertical ombre on this one with Orchid and Lilac Luster. and then I'll sort of just blend that central line when I come in with the second colour. So in with Lilac Luster, I'm just doing that cuticle bead first. I'm just gently going to pull it down the nail. So then I'll just grab a wet bead of that Lilac Luster and just go down that blend line with it, just to soften that. And you know it's true, whenever you come to a redesign on a client and they have a dark set on, they always want a light set over the top of it. So I always get off as much as I can anyway. But when I'm filing these, I think I actually did come underneath a bit with my e-file just to clean out any of that dark from underneath as well. And then this pink is just going to be a full nail of Lilac Luster, I think. I love this colour so much. And also, you're going to hate me, but when my other half was just editing the video for me, thank you Luke, I didn't actually press record on the best part of the video on the top coating, so who does that? So really sorry about that. I think I must have thought I pressed record and I pressed stop instead. I do that all the time. Yeah. But I've left a picture at the end anyway, so you can see the finished result. So I'm just going to encapsulate and leave the majority of that product in the back third of the nail for that apex area. This client of mine is amazing. She has a tiny baby and she literally goes weeks and weeks and weeks, literally like about 6-8 weeks in between sets, and she always comes back with them on. She's just one of those clients that just, she wears them so easily, so it's really nice. It's actually really nice sitting here recording this voiceover. I've actually really missed all you guys and everything. It's like having a, I don't know, it's weird. It's like having another family, another group of friends, because obviously we have all our Facebook and everything else. But yeah, it's nice. It's different on here, on YouTube, than it is Facebook. So I'm just going to come in with a 150 grit file. I'm 9 now, it's 180. Excuse me, just refining that smile line. I don't always do it, I don't always refine them, but I just feel like you get a much crisper finish when you do. So here I've just dipped into that Fizzabella Superfine, and I'll just pop that on, and I'm walking it right up into those wings and then cleaning up as I go along, because obviously glitter just goes where the frig it wants. And then I will add some of that chunky cut as well. See, again, when you're working with the chunky glitters, they take a little bit more fiddling with to make sure they're lying nice and flat, but they're easy enough to move about with your brush to get them where you want to. So I'm just going to add a few crystals on these now. This set, these crystals are from Angel Crystals, and these are from the, I did like a bumper pack. I think it was like 40 odd pounds, and there was loads and loads of crystals in there. I think it's like the Princess collection or something like that. So these are all pinks and opals, and there's a few tiny little really like jade coloured crystals in there. There's some of the larger pointier back stones as well, the different shapes like the flame shape and that in there as well. They're really stunning, super shiny. I'll just put a couple of them on, not too many. I prefer to put my crystals on before top coat, because otherwise they can be a pain in the arse and slide around and all that. So if you just do it straight on top of your foiled acrylic, they just stick, literally, like, not like that one, but they stick really fast. Yeah. And that crystal picker upper is just my Crystallese from CJP. So yeah, this is nearly the end, guys. I just I applied stamping on 2 of the nails. I think that plate's from Beauty Big Bang, and I just used my silver stamping polish from Chrissy Pierce. So yeah, there's the end of the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all, and I'll see you soon.